Yes, here, welcome again. Today it is a beautiful day. We are going to learn about how to define the components in Aspen Plus. We have two options to define our component in Aspen Plus. First, we have component in Aspen Plus that are already incorporated, so we need to find them. But as a component are not present in Aspen Plus, so we need to define them by ourselves. These components, we are going to define them because they are not present and they are not determined by Aspen Plus. So we need to use them in our simulation. So what is the best option to use them in our simulation is just to define and fill all the requirements of each component. So first step, you will find here, you will open a new simulation. Open a new simulation here. You will open a new simulation. Open new simulation. Yeah, this is our new simulation. And today we are talking just about components. This is an option for the components. So the components that are present in Aspen Plus are defined here. You will find your components here. Any component you will search, you will see it in Aspen Plus because it is present in Aspen database. So all these are the components, or you can just type here, then you name your component. For example, if you write water, then you press enter. Now you will see a lot of components that are defined in Aspen. So you find your component, which is water, and click it. But this is a simple way, and it is the best option because it is easy and is used only for components that are present in Aspen Plus. But if my components I want to use in my simulation is not present in Aspen Plus, what I'm gonna do is just by using a user-defined option to define your components. So you will click user defines and define your components. First option is to define the component ID, then you put areas. So my component ID is just to put the name of the component you need to define. For example, my component, let's say it is lactic. This is my component, but areas is like a nickname. So you can put maybe ngoma. So your company will be known by ngoma. Then press next. After pressing the next, you will see all the requirements that are to be defined in your ID, which is lactic acid known by common name of ngoma. So first is to put the molecular weight. For example, the molecular weight of lactic acid is 90.08, and the boiling point in degrees centigrade of lactic acid is 1 to 2. Specific gravity it is 1.21. This is specific gravity. Enthalpy of formation is negative 694, and the Gibbs energy of formation is negative 517. So these are the requirements needed to define my components. Then press next. So now you have finished your component. You have the molecular weight, but you can add additional information about the component you define, like the molecular volume data, vapor pressure data. But if not necessary, you can just finish the simulation here, so that your components will be directly placed in the component option. So press OK. Do you see here? So this is my component ID. Look, it is lactic acid and easy convection, but it is known by common as like ngoma. So thank you. So thank you.